Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track orders on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to track and tap on it to open its details, and then click button Track Order, or it can also say View Details. So now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. This is screenshots of tracking information page, and here basically you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates right here. So my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, but also you can say something like shipped, ready for delivery, or arrived at sorting center, etc. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number by tapping this button and pasting it to universal tracker. Like AliExpress suggests me to use this tracker that is called 17 track, but actually it doesn't really matter because all those trackers are working according to similar principle. So paste it, and you can see there even more detailed updates about your order. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.